Any doubt in the previous class? हाँ जी ठीक है शिल्पी, आई विल स्टार्ट डूइंग इट फ्रॉम संडे और मंडे हम शुरू करेंगे, कम से कम 1-1.5 घंटे एक दिन के लिए करने से तो हो जाता है आराम से। ओके, तो 2-3 क्लास पे हो जाता है, तो हम करेंगे फ्रॉम संडे मंडे से कर लेंगे। 3-4 दिन चाहिए मुझे कंप्लीट करने के लिए। ओके राइट। और पिछले क्लास पे जो किया है उसमें एनी डाउट? पिछले क्लास पे जो हम किया था उसमें कोई डाउट? एनीवन? नहीं, कोई डाउट नहीं? Last topic was piecemeal distribution by absolute surplus method. Piecemeal distribution by absolute surplus method we have done in the last class. इस क्लास पे हम शुरू करेंगे मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल लॉस मेथड। ये मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल लॉस मेथड हम अभी करेंगे। ओके, पीडीएफ तो ऑलरेडी सेंट इट इज देयर विद यू। लास्ट क्लास आई सेंट द पीडीएफ। अच्छा, अभी तक नहीं आया आपका पास? चेक कर लेता हूँ, अगर नहीं होगा तो मैं और एक बार भेज देता हूँ उसको। नोट्स का नहीं था, ठीक है राइट, आई विल सेंड इट। ये आज का क्लास के साथ उसको भेज दूंगा, ठीक है राइट। नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी द नेक्स्ट एरिया, मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल लॉस मेथड। तो द मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल लॉस मेथड कैसे हम करेंगे? Raghu, first time you are joining, I think so. Okay, please kindly help him. Okay, right, we are going for the maximum possible loss method. तो हम लास्ट क्लास पे क्या किया था? Go for problem number 33. Problem number 33. Problem number 33. PDF page 13 and 14. Someone please help Raghav to join the group. उनको आप लिंक भेज दीजिए, let him join. And once again, please kindly share the question per PDF of the assignment in the group. Any one of you, please. Okay, right. I'm going to do the maximum possible loss method for question number 33. So in the 33, we have last class we have done by absolute surplus method. The same problem we are going to do by MPL, maximum possible loss method. I said, Divyam, you are already you are the member of the group, I think so. Okay, right. Anyhow, so here the firm, if LMS dissolved on 31st March, at which date the balance sheet stood as follows. All these things they are given. Partner shares profit and losses equally. A firm of chartered accountant is retain to realize the assets and distribute the cash after discharging the liabilities. The fees which are include all expenses is fixed at rupees 1 lakh. No loss is expected on realization since fixed assets include valuable land, building, and the realizations are. No, same group. I'm here to share the group. I already shared this one. Question number assignment was which was already sent. That is the same one. Okay, right. There is no other group. This is the group. Okay, right. अभी एमपीएल के लिए पेन से लिखा है 5 lakhs. Realization is written. First realization 5 lakhs. Second realization 15 lakhs. Third realization 14 lakhs. Fourth realization 60,000. And fifth realization is 30,000. So these are the realizations. So realization, please. I have given that also. It is first realization is rupees 5 lakhs. And second realization rupees 15 lakhs. Third realization rupees 14 lakh. Fourth realization rupees 60,000. And fifth realization rupees 30,000. So this I have modified. The rest all the things are one and the same. Okay. Please kindly note on this. It is already there in the assignment. It is written in the okay. So this is the modification I have made. It is already the realization only I have changed it. Okay, how we have to do the maximum possible loss method. The same procedure will be doing. First we have to settle all the secured loans, then unsecured loans. फिर पार्टनर्स लोन को सेटल करेंगे, उसके बाद पार्टनर्स कैपिटल को हम पे करेंगे. पार्टनर्स कैपिटल को पे करने के पहले सारे डिफरेंसेस शुरू होता है. सो हाउ इज दैट, लेट्स सी. वन टू थ्री फोर कितना है यहाँ? क्रेडिटर्स, बैंक लोन and the partners loan and 3 partners, so 6. Yes. Okay, so here's statement of distribution. Particulars. First is a secured loan. Secured loan will be, the bank loan is the secured loan. So bank loan, then unsecured loan, creditors, partners loan, L's loan, then partners capital, L, M, yes. Okay, right. Now let us go for कैसे होगा. Balance brought down as usual. You take in balance brought down कितना है 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. Then creditors are 2 lakhs. उसके बाद आता है आपका एल्स लोन 10 lakhs. एल्स कैपिटल 15 lakhs. And 10 lakhs for 5 lakhs. So these are the capitals of the partners. Yes, we have done. How much is the cash balance is there with us? 2 lakhs is the cash balance. So bank balance. Bank balance 2 lakhs is there. This 2 lakhs first we have to 2 lakhs first we have to pay to the किसके लिए we have to provide for expenses for realization. तो realization expenses इसमें दिया है 1 लाख minus realization expenses. So 1 lakh प्रोवाइड कर लीजिए. बैलेंस कितना बच गया है? Balance is 1 lakh. So pay to बैंक लोन. बैंक लोन को उसको पे कर लीजिए. हाउ मच? 1 लाख को पे करेंगे. सो 1 lakh इज पेड. तो बच गया है बैंक लोन अभी 4 लाख. सिक्योर लोन इज आउटस्टैंडिंग 4 lakhs. दिस इज द बैलेंस. फर्स्ट रियलाइजेशन कितना है? फर्स्ट रियलाइजेशन 5 lakhs इज द फर्स्ट रियलाइजेशन. तो बैंक के लिए कितना पे करना है? सबसे पहले बैंक को पे करना है. बैंक को पे कर लीजिए. पेड फॉर बैंक लोन. कितना बाकी है? 4 लाख बाकी है. पेड फर्स्ट. तो इसको पे कर दिया है 4 लाख. बैलेंस कितना है? 1 लाख. So we are following section 48. Provide for realization expenses. 1 लाख हम निकाल के रख दिया. फिर हमारे पास 1 लाख बच गया था. That we have paid to the bank loan. So paid to bank loan. So the balance तो यहाँ 0 हो गया और इनका बैलेंस 4 लाख हो गया. Then again first realization 5 lakhs we are taken. Pay the secured loan. Secured loan is the bank loan. We have paid 4 lakhs. Now we are left with 1 lakh. Then whom we have to pay? किसको पे करना है ये पैसे? Unsecured loan. Unsecured loan यहाँ creditors है. So unsecured creditors we have to pay to creditors. कितना पे करेंगे? जितना पैसा बाकी है उसको पे करेंगे. 1 लाख पे कर लिया. तो हम ये हो गया है. तो बैलेंस कितना बच गया है अभी? बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन. इनका 1 लाख बाकी है. बाकी सारे बाकी है. Right, the first realization is over. Let us go for the second realization. Second realization. Amount realized. $15 lakhs. Less paid to creditors. Creditors के लिए कितना पे करना है? 1 लाख पे करना है. So we have paid 1 lakh to creditors. Now still we have left out with cash balance of 14 lakhs. ठीक है. So we have provided for expenses. We have paid secured loan, bank loan. We have settled creditors, unsecured creditors. We have settled. Now whatever is left out, pay to the bank. Partner's loan. So partner L's loan is there. How much is that? L's loan paid. L's loan 10 lakhs हम pay कर रहे हैं. So L's loan is 10 lakhs. इसको पे कर लीजिए. 10 lakhs paid. तो लोन अभी तो पूरा सेटल हो गया. बैलेंस still we have 4 lakhs. अभी किसको देना है? पार्टनर्स को देना है, सारे पार्टनर्स को अभी से हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे। 1 मिनट। Okay, so now we are left out with 4 lakhs to be paid. अभी देख लीजिए, we are paid to the capital. Now how much we have? We have 2 lakhs with us. How much is the total capital left out? 15 lakhs we have to pay to L, 10 lakh to M, and 5 lakhs to S. So total capital now to be paid is 15 plus 10 plus 5, 25 और 30 लाख है। लेकिन हमारे पास कितना है? हाउ मच वी हैव ओनली 4 lakhs. सो अगर अगर मान लीजिए, in case if you don't have any other realization, this is the last realization. In such cases, how much would be the loss that we have to see? We are assuming that there is no more realization, only this 4 lakhs cash is left out. In that case, how much would be the realization loss? Okay, so here total capital is how much? Total capital now still left out is 30 lakhs. Okay, minus rupees 4 lakhs. So this we will be paying to the partners. So अगर इसके बाद कोई रियलाइजेशन नहीं है, कोई सेल करने का कुछ नहीं है, बस यही है, इतना ही है, पैसा बच गया, तो कितना लॉस होगा पार्टनर्स को? पार्टनर्स को लॉस होगा 26 lakhs. So maximum possible loss in this case, maximum possible loss, it will be 26 lakhs. तो इसको बांट लीजिए in the ratio, whatever the profit sharing ratio, 1:1:1. This is the profit sharing ratio. To distribute this loss to the partners. So कितना आएगा? 26 divided by 3 by 3. That is 8,66,667. That is the maximum possible loss. Okay. So 8,66,667. This will be the maximum loss to the partners. 8,66,666. So balance कितना होगा? So here it is 15 lakhs minus 8,66,667. If you minus कितना हो गया ये? 6,33,333. इनका कितना आएगा? 10 lakhs minus 8,66,000. 10 lakhs minus 8,66,667. So ये आ गया how much? 10 lakhs. So this is 1,33,333. Now see here C is a L, yes, capital is 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs minus 8,66,666,000. तो ये हो गया 3,66,666. ये माइनस पे आ रहा है. 1,33,300. Just a minute, the lines are not ready. Now we have, okay. So negative capital you are getting for S. S negative capital. How much is the negative capital? 3,66,666. That is the S का negative capital है. So that should be borne by the solvent partner, those who are having credit balance in their CJBD ratio जो हम किया था गार्नवर्स मोरे पे, उस रेशियो पे हम इसको बियर करना है. कौन कौन बियर करेगा? सॉल्वेंट पार्टनर्स बियर करेगा. सो L&M will bear the loss of capital deficiency of S in the capital just before dissolution रेशियो पे बियर करेगा. यहाँ कैपिटल बिफोर डिसोल्यूशन कितना है? 15 lakhs and 10 lakhs. So in this ratio, S deficiency will be shared by L and M. तो यहाँ जाएगा, ये आ गया बैलेंस. So L's deficiency shared by L and M at 3:2 because it is 15:10. 15:10 or 3:2 पे this 3,66,666 को शेयर करेगा, डिवाइड बाय 5 into 3. ये कितना हो जाएगा? 3,66,666 divided by 5 into 3. That is 2,20,000. इनको हो जाएगा 2,20,000. So 1,46,666. इसमें माइनस कर लीजिए, कितना हो जाएगा बैलेंस? बैलेंस यहाँ आ गया है -1,3,3,3,3. तो ये आ गया 13,333 माइनस इनका आ गया है 6,33,333 माइनस 2,20,000. तो ये हो गया 4,13,333 हो गया. Now जो M's deficiency will be borne by M's deficiency borne by L. तो कितना है? 13,333. जब तक ये पॉजिटिव नहीं आता है तब तक वी हैव टू कीप ऑन डूइंग दिस. Any deficiency is there, capital deficiency, that will be borne by the solvent partners at CJBD ratio, capital just before dissolution ratio. Now this is 4 lakhs. ठीक है. So this is now कितना है आपका पास? कैश लेफ्ट आउट है, कैश लेफ्ट आउट 4 lakhs है. तो हम ये मान के गए हैं, ठीक है, हमारे पास सिर्फ 4 लाख है एंड वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू हैव एनी अदर रियलाइजेशन. The total capital is 26 lakhs. So how much the partners are not going to get is 26 lakhs. Total capital is 30 lakhs. You are left out with only 4 lakh. तो अगर इसके बाद कोई realization नहीं है, then the maximum possible loss going to be 26 lakhs. उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दीजिए. This distribute in the profit sharing ratio. We have distributed the 26 lakhs. 8,66,667, 866 सब कम हो गया. Then find out the balance. Here the capital for L is 15 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs. You minus this amount, you get the balance 6,33,333, 133, and 3,66,666 negative amount. So yes, deficiency, capital deficiency 366,666, it should be borne by solvent partners L and M in their capital ratio, which is 15 lakhs is to 10 lakhs or 3 is to 2. To that we have distributed borne by them. Balance is coming this 4,13,333 for L, and for M minus 13,333. That means M's capital also has become negative. So that also will be borne by the other partner L. तो करने के बाद 4 लाख left out. We have cash 4 lakhs, and this cash still, if it is coming positive, that will be paid to that person. So यहाँ आ जाएगा pay to L 4 lakhs will be paying. So this is the one. तो ये हो गया. This is 1. ठीक है. And this is 2. तो इनको किसी को कुछ पेमेंट नहीं हुआ है. Balance brought down 1 minus 2. What is 1? This is 1. This is 1 minus 2. So इनके लिए आ गए हैं 11 lakhs. No difference here. 10 lakhs and 5 lakhs. 10 lakhs. इनका कितना है 5 lakhs. This is 3. Okay, right now we have done up to which realization? We have done second realization is over. Let us go for the realization, third realization. Third realization, let us go for the third realization. Any doubt in this? मैं जो किया हूँ उसमें कोई doubt होगा तो please kindly ask me. Any one of you. Do you have any doubt? Whatever I have done. When the capital we have to pay to the capital, सबसे पहले क्या करना है? अभी तो यहाँ देख लीजिए 4 लाख बच गया कैपिटल के लिए. तो आप कितना टोटल कैपिटल है उसको देख लीजिए. टोटल कैपिटल 30 लाख है. तो यू हैव ओनली 4 lakhs. हम ये मानेंगे इसके बाद कोई रियलाइजेशन नहीं है, कोई पैसा मिलने वाला नहीं है. तो ये 30 लाख से 4 लाख माइनस कर लीजिए, 26 lakhs यू गेट. ये 26 lakhs लास्ट को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लीजिए प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो पे. वी हैव डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड 8,66,667, तीनों को बांट लिया. जितना कैपिटल बैलेंस है उसमें से इसको माइनस करने से आपको बैलेंस आ जाता है इतना. इसमें किसका नेगेटिव बैलेंस आ रहा है? यस का नेगेटिव बैलेंस आ रहा है, मतलब उनका कैपिटल डेफिशिएंसी हो गया है. ये कैपिटल डेफिशिएंसी हम सॉल्वेंट पार्टनर्स को ट्रांसफर करेंगे इन द कैपिटल रेशियो बिफोर डिसोल्यूशन. बिफोर डिसोल्यूशन उनका कैपिटल रेशियो क्या है? 15 लाख 10 लाख है. सो 3:2 इज द रेशियो. So we have distributed this capital deficiency of S to L and M in the ratio 3:2. Then you see the balance, how much the balance is coming. So L is having positive balance of 4,13,333 और M के लिए आ रहा है negative balance 13,333. So this negative balance also will be borne by the partner who is having the positive balance, who is having only सिर्फ L का positive balance है, उसको माइनस कर लीजिए इसमें से. तो आ गया 4 लाख. अभी ये पॉजिटिव फिगर है, कोई नेगेटिव फिगर नहीं है. जब कोई नेगेटिव फिगर नहीं है, दैट इज द अमाउंट टू बी पेड. सो वी हैव पेड दिस 4 lakhs टू L. पे करने के बाद हमारा बैलेंस नील हो गया. तो बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन विल बी इतना इतना हो गया. नाउ वी आर गोइंग फॉर द थर्ड रियलाइजेशन. ठीक है, ये है थर्ड रियलाइजेशन. तो अमाउंट रियलाइज कितना है? थर्ड रियलाइजेशन अमाउंट हमारे लिए 14 lakhs. 14 lakhs. मान के जाइए इसके बाद कोई हमारा क्या नहीं होगा, रियलाइजेशन नहीं होगा, ये मान लीजिए there won't be any realization after this 14 lakhs. Total capital is how much? Total capital is 26 lakhs you have, minus third realization. How much is that? 14 lakhs. So if there is no other realization, इसके बाद कोई realization नहीं है, तो हमारा maximum possible loss होगा 12 lakh. Distribute this 12 lakhs in the profit sharing ratio to all partners. कितना आएगा? 4 lakhs 4 lakhs 4 lakhs तीनों पार्टनर को आएगा, तो इनका बीच में बांट लीजिए. ये है 4 lakhs 4 lakhs एंड इनके लिए भी ये 4 lakhs. इसको लॉस को बांट लिया. After distributing loss, find out how much is the balance. Balance कितना है इनका? 11 lakhs minus 4 lakhs, 7 lakhs. 10 lakhs minus 4 lakhs, 6 lakhs. 5 lakhs minus 4 lakhs, 1 lakh. What is the difference between जो पहले रियलाइजेशन दिस रियलाइजेशन? देख लीजिए, यहाँ तो पहले सबसे पहले तो नेगेटिव आया था केस के लिए, फिर बाद में नेगेटिव बैलेंस आया था एम के लिए. अभी देख लो सबका पॉजिटिव बैलेंस आ रहा है. दैट मीन्स यू हैव कैश टू पे, दिस मच कैश कैन बी पेड. सो दिस इज cash paid to partners, cash paid to capital, 14 lakhs. Okay. ये है, ठीक है. So cash paid to partners. We are paid. ये this is 4. Balance brought down 3 minus 4, that is 5 हमको मिल गया है. तो ये है 3 is 11 lakh. 11 lakh minus 7 lakh कितना हो जाएगा? 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs. This is the balance we have brought. Yes. Fourth realization. How much is the fourth realization? Fourth realization is 60,000 rupees. 60,000. Total capital कितना बच गया है? So total capital, now you have 12 lakhs balance minus realization. कितना realization हमको मिला है, पैसा मिला है? 60,000 we have got it. So maximum possible loss. Maximum possible loss is 11 lakh 40,000. तो इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लीजिए all the partners in the ratio 1:1:1. So 11 lakh 40,000 divided by 3 is 3 lakh 80,000. 3 lakh 80,000. 3 lakh 80,000. 3 lakh 80,000. से आपको आ जाता है 20,000, 20,000, 20,000. All the amounts are positive amounts. So this is cash paid. ये हो जाएगा. paid to capital 60,000, तो ये हो गया है paid. So now the next is balance brought down. Oh yes, 7. So how much is this? 3,80,000. 3,80,000. This is the amount left out now with them. Okay, so this is 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6. Okay. Fifth realization. How is the fifth realization? Amount rupees. Fifth realization is 30,000. This is the amount realized. Amount is 30,000 we have. So total capital 11,40,000 is the total capital left out minus realization 30,000. So maximum possible loss कितना होगा? This is the maximum possible loss 11,00,000 होगा. Distribute this in the ratio 1:1:1 to all partners. 1:1 is 11 lakh. 11,10,000 divided by 3. So 3,70,000 is the loss it is coming. Distribute to all partners. So इनका है 3,70,000. 3,70,000. 3,70,000. And you get the balance of 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. So this is the cash to be paid. Okay. Okay. The loss is 3,70,000. 3,70,000. 3,70,000. Minus this, then you get 8. 10,000. 10,000, 10,000. So all the figures are coming positive figures. Therefore, this is the cash paid. So cash paid will be cash paid to capital. So that is, yeah, again, right. Now balance. This is 9. So this will be 7 minus 8. 9 will be getting 3,70,000, 3,70,000, 3,70,000. But you don't have any other realization, ये loss है. So ये हो जाएगा आपका realization loss हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So because you don't have any other रियलाइजेशन, तो ये रिकवरी नहीं हुआ है, इतना कैपिटल आपको नहीं मिल रहा है. सो दिस इज द रियलाइजेशन लॉस. सो दिस इज द वे वी हैव टू डू द मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल लॉस मेथड पे ऐसे ही करना है. ठीक है. दिस इज आर यू गेटिंग दिस? ये समझ में आ रहा है? हेलो, आई डोंट नो. ओके, 1 मिनट प्लीज वेट. चेक कर लेता हूँ क्या हुआ है. जस्ट अ मिनट. ओके, 1 मिनट. गेटिंग दिस नाउ? हाँ जी. यस फ्रेंड्स, कोई भी नहीं बता रहा है. इस समझ में आ रहा है? ओके, राइट. एनीवन, एनी डाउट फॉर एनीवन? एनी डाउट फॉर एनीवन? ठीक है, और एक प्रॉब्लम करेंगे. गो फॉर प्रॉब्लम नंबर 35. गो फॉर प्रॉब्लम नंबर 35. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 35. So question number 35. So you'll have the page number क्या होगा? पेज नंबर 14 एंड 15 होगा. पेज नंबर, पीडीएफ पेज नंबर. दोनों मेथड आ सकता है, कुछ भी आ सकता है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू बी रेडी. The balance sheet is given. The firm was dissolved on the above date. The assets were realized as follows. First realization 3,85,000. First realization 3,85,000. Second realization 1,45,000. And third realization 3,12,000. The realization expenses were estimated 32,000, but actual expenditure 30,000 paid at the end of third year. At the time of dissolution, there was a contingent liability of rupees 30,000 against the firm, which was settled 25,000 at the time of realization of second installment. No partner is insolvent. Distribute the cash as and when realized. Okay, right. इसमें थोड़ा सा मॉडिफिकेशन करना है. मॉडिफिकेशन इज फर्स्ट रियलाइजेशन में 1 लाख लिया. ठीक है. मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम. क्या मॉडिफिकेशन है? Only this is the modification I am doing. First realization rupees 1 lakh. Second realization 1,45,000. Third realization 3,12,000. उसमें तो कोई changes नहीं. So this is rest everything is one and the same. तो ये थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई करके इस प्रॉब्लम को हम डील करेंगे. कैसे ये करना है? लेट्स सी. प्रॉब्लम मिल गई सबको? हैव यू गॉट द प्रॉब्लम? अरे पता नहीं, ये कोई प्रॉब्लम इज देयर. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज दिस. अगेन एंड अगेन इट इज. I don't know. Screen share will never be stored locally or remotely. ये क्या है? 1 minute, please. Some technical problem. 1 minute, friends. Okay. Okay, right. So you got the problem. So here this amendment we have to do it in the problem, and we'll do by. इसमें क्या है? Some important things here it is given. They say realization expenses were estimated 32,000. So realization expenses सबसे पहले हम minus करेंगे. But actual expenditure amounted to rupees 30,000 paid at the end of third realization. ये एक नई चीज है. Second, at the time of dissolution, there was a contingent liability of 30,000 against the firm, which was settled at 25,000 at the end of the realization, second realization. ये भी नई adjustment है. तो कैसे इसको करना है करके देख लीजिए. Here are capital plus partners loan plus contingency reserve and creditors ये सारे हैं. तो हम इसको कैसे करेंगे देख लीजिए. बड़ा सा होगा, हम बड़ा बना लेंगे इसको. प्लस बात है, ये तो स्ट्राइट लाइन क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? ओके. Here we have capital 3 plus loan plus creditors. Okay, right. So these are things are there. Statement of distribution. Particulars. सबसे पहले सिक्योर्ड लोन तो यहाँ कुछ नहीं है, तो हम क्रेडिटर्स को लेंगे. सो क्रेडिटर्स, देन पार्टनर्स लोन, एक्स लोन, देन पार्टनर्स कैपिटल, सो एक्स वाई एंड जेड. ये तो हो गया. देन बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन कितना है? सो फॉर द क्रेडिटर्स 120,000 and X loan is 50,000. Capital of the partners 2,50,000, 1,20,000 and 2 lakhs. Okay. Add a reserve fund. Reserve fund को add करना है. The profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. In the 5:3:2 ratio, we'll be distributing this. So how much is the amount? 60,000. So 30,000, 18,000 and 12,000. 5:3:2 we have distributed. Then contingency reserves. Add contingency reserve. कितना है total? This is contingency reserve is 40,000 they have given. लेकिन contingent liability, estimated contingent liability they have given. At the time of dissolution there was a contingent liability of 30,000. तो ये 30,000 है. इसको माइनस करके बाकी जितना भी है उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लीजिए in the ratio 5:3:2. So 10,000 is there. So 5,000, 3,000 and 2,000 distributed. So कितना है total? So the total हो गया है, क्या तो वही है, 2,50,000, 280, 2,85,000. So this is 1,41,000 and for Z it will be 2,14,000. Any doubt in this? कोई doubt इसमें? कोई doubt? Any doubt in this? Any doubt? बोलो सर. No. Only Divya is telling. Others? कोई डाउट नहीं, ठीक है. चलिए, राइट. इसके बाद हमारा फर्स्ट रियलाइजेशन ये है. We have the cash at bank 1,500,000. 1,500,000 is the okay, cash at bank. Cash at bank we have 1,500,000 minus realization expenses. Realization expenses, जितना एक्सपेंस हम एस्टिमेट किया है उस एक्सपेंस को लेना है. 32,000 is the realization expense. ठीक है. So we have taken 32,000. We have provided for realization expense 32,000. बैलेंस कितना बच गया कैश? हमारा पास बैलेंस कैश बच गया है 68,500. ठीक है. तो क्या करना है, इसको हम, ये हो गया है तो इसको हम पे करना है. यहाँ कंटीजेंट रिजर्व को ये मत करिए, ये कंटीजेंट रिजर्व को पूरा पे कर लीजिए, ठीक है। कंटीजेंट रिजर्व करना था, कंटीजेंट रिजर्व ओके, ये भी ठीक है, तो हो गया। लेस कंटीजेंट लाइबिलिटी कितना हम प्रोवाइड किया है यहाँ, 30,000 हम प्रोवाइड किया है। 30,000 is expect actual expenditure, this one at the time of dissolution there was a contingent liability of 30,000, इसको भी इसमें से माइनस कर लीजिए। सो बैलेंस आपको मिल गया है 38,500। तो किसको पे करना है, पे टू क्रेडिटर्स, पे टू क्रेडिटर्स, पे टू क्रेडिटर्स 38,500। तो एमपीएल का यहाँ तो नहीं आएगा, जब हम पे करेंगे क्रेडिटर्स को पे करना, सॉरी कैपिटल को पे करना शुरू करेंगे, देन ओनली द एमपीएस पार्ट विल कम, अदरवाइज एमपीएल विल नॉट बी कमिंग हियर। तो कितना बच गया अभी, 1,20,000 माइनस 38,500 आ गया है 81,500 इज द बैलेंस आ गया है। ये है बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन हो गया, राइट ये हो गया है आपका जो हाथ में कैश था उसको ये कर लिया। सो फर्स्ट रियलाइजेशन इज 1 लाख। पेड टू क्रेडिटर्स कितना होगा, पेड टू क्रेडिटर्स 81,500 इनको पे करना था, वी हैव पेड इट। सो बैलेंस लेफ्ट आउट, how much the balance is left out now, you are left out with 18,500. This balance will be paid to partners loan, X loan will be paying 18,500, ठीक है, right। So balance paid to X loan 18,500, so we have paid 18,500. So how much the balance will be there now, so balance 50,000 minus 18,500, 38,000, no, 31,500 is the amount left. Right, you are right. Now second realization, how much is the amount realized is 145,000. 1,45,000 is the second realization. इसमें देख लीजिए, the realization expenses were estimated 32,000, but the actual expenditures were 30,000 at the end of the third realization. At the time of dissolution, there was a contingent liability of 30,000 against the firm, which was settled at 25,000 at the time of second realization. अभी तो हमारा second realization शुरू हो रहा है। First realization already we have completed, so this is the second realization. First realization already completed, we are on the second realization. The second realization जितना cash release हो गया है, that we have to add back. So here we have expected 30,000, we have provided 30,000, but only it was 25,000. So, contingent liability, excess provision. So 30,000 we have provided, only 25,000 was there. So 5,000 is released now. Total cash available for distribution is 1,50,000. Clear? So अभी आपका पास 1,50,000 is there for distribution. So pay to X loan. How much we have to pay? 31,500 we have to pay for X loan. 31,500 we have to pay, and we have to pay for X loan. Okay, right. So pay to X loan 31,500. So ये तो पूरा हो गया. Now balance left for capital. How much is the amount left out? 1,50,000 minus 31,500. 1,18,500 is the amount left for capital. अभी MPL का आ जाएगा. तो total capital is how much? Total capital is 2,85,000 plus 1,41,000 plus 2,14,000. So now the total capital is 6,40,000. Total capital 6,40,000 minus realization available कितना है? 1,18,500 is only left out for capital distribution. So minus 1,18,500. So maximum possible loss is 5,21,500. 521,500. So this is maximum possible loss. Distribute this in the profit sharing ratio, the partners 5:3:2. तो इसका कितना हो जाएगा? 260,750. 2,60,750 for X. Okay, 260,750, and other partners will be how much divided by 2 into 260,750 into 3. This is 1,56,000. 1,56,450. 104,300. So how much the balance will be there? So ये करेंगे, इसको माइनस कर लीजिए. तो फर्स्ट इज 285,000. 2,85,000 minus 260,750. How much is it? 24,250 positive it is coming. 24,250 and 141,000 minus 156,450. कितना हो गया? 15,450 माइनस आ गया 15,450. Then 2,14,000. 2,14,000 minus 104,300. So here also positive 109,700. Okay, now what we have to do? Y's deficiency. Y's capital deficiency borne by X and Z. At what ratio? At capital ratio. At the capital ratio. इनका capital ratio क्या है? 2,50,000, 2 lakhs. So 5:4 in the ratio. 5:4. ठीक है? So 15,450. 15,450 divided by 9 into 5. कितना है? 8,583. So 8,583. 6,867. 6,867. तो बैलेंस आ जाएगा 15450 1097 minus 6867 is 1,02,800. 1,02,833. 24,250 minus 8583 is 15667. So now everything is positive. Everything is positive. So this is the cash paid ho jayega. Now this will be cash paid. So cash paid. One lakh 18,500. So total it should be 1,18,500. 102,833. Yes. Not contingent 40,000. We have to distribute only after reducing the contingent liability. Okay. So you may ask, sir, kaise hoga? So we have reduced it from the liability side also. So we have reduced it from the liability side as transferring the contingent reserve, and we have reduced from the cash also. So balance left out is only this much. Okay. So after reducing it, we have to distribute, not the 40,000. Contingent reserve will be 40,000 minus how much? 30,000 estimated this. Okay. Right. So now हमारा क्या खत्म हो गया है? Second realization खत्म हो गया है. Now we have to go for our third realization. Simple, not difficult, but very lengthy. That is only the problem. So it is going to consume a lot of time. Okay. Okay. Now this is balance brought down. I'll take here. This is one. No, this is one. This is one. Okay. And this is 2. And this will be 3. 1 minus 2 is 3. So how much is the cap? 2,85,000 minus 8583. Sorry. Minus 15667. तो ये हो गया 269,833. 269,333. And for this one 141,000. 141,000. And for Z will be 2,14,000 minus जितना कितना पे किया है 102,833. We are paid. After that, the balance is coming 1,11,167. ठीक है 1,11,167. So if you total this, you will be getting 5,21,500. You will be getting. Okay, right. हम अभी जाएंगे third realization. Third realization is, how much is the amount for the third realization? Third realization is rupees 3,12,000. तो अभी आ जाइए, टोटल कैपिटल कितना है? टोटल कैपिटल विल बी इक्वल टू मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल लॉस, पिछले पीरियड का था वो होगा, सो दैट इज 5,21,500 माइनस रियलाइजेशन 3,12,000, तो ये हो गया है मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल लॉस। So 3,12,000, 5,21,500 माइनस 3,12,000, तो ये है 209,500 इज द मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल लॉस। नहीं, इसमें तो ये भी हम इंक्लूड नहीं किया है, इसमें भूल गया है क्या, सॉरी, रिलीज ऑफ कंटीजेंट लायबिलिटी में क्या है, एस्टिमेटेड एक्सपेंसेस क्या था फर्स्ट, the realization expenses were estimated 32,000 but actual expenditure 30,000 at the end of the third realization. So release of realization expenses. So we have provided 32,000, letting actual expenses are 30,000, so 2,000 release. So total cash available for distribution is 3,14,000. So maximum possible loss will be 5,21,500 minus 3,14,000. Minus 3,14,000. तो कितना हो जाएगा? 521,500 minus 314,000 is 2,07,500. This you distribute among the partners in the profit sharing ratio 5:3:2. So divided by 10 into 5. ये हो गया 103,750. 103,750 divided by 5 into 3. 62,250. तो ये हो गया 41,500. तो लास्ट को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लीजिए, 41,500. तो इसको माइनस कर लीजिए, कितना आ जाएगा? बैलेंस 269 minus 1,167. 69,667. 69,667. And 1,41,000 minus 62,250. So this is 78,750. Okay, 2,69,333 minus 103,750. कितना हो गया? 165,583. 165,583. See here, all the balances are coming positive. Therefore, this is cash paid. If you total this, it will be equal to 3,14,000. If you total this, it should be equal to 3,14,000. Let us see here, 165,583 plus 78,750 plus 69,667. तो 3,14,000 आ गया, सारे ये है, therefore this is cash paid. ये हो गया, ये क्या है, दिस इज 4 5 balance 3 minus 4, 5 will be 103,750, 62,250 and 41,500. So this will be loss on, sorry, realization loss. Realization loss 103,750, 62,250 and 41,500. So this is the realization loss. Okay, this is the amount you have not recovered and this will be the realization loss. Getting it? Hanji, please tell me, are you getting this? तो हम कहाँ से शुरू किया था? First, we have provided one of the very good problem. I have changed only the realization. So we have distributed in case of any contingency reserve is there minus the contingent liability also. So we have subtracted the contingent liability from this. So 10,000 distributed. A reserve fund 60,000 was distributed, and the capital balance just before dissolution has come 285,000, 141,000, and 2,14,000. And with the available cash, first provide for realization expenses. Yes, 32,000 was estimated. We have provided 32,000. 1,05,000 was there. You minus the 32,000 from that, you get the 68,500. The balance you get it, and minus the contingent liability estimated 30,000. So you are left out with 38,500 paid to the secured loans. So secured creditors were not there. There were no secured loans. So then again, the 48 says settle unsecured loans. Unsecured loan, यहाँ creditor है 38,500 was paid to creditor. Still left out creditors 81,500. उसके बाद जो realization था 1 लाख था first realization, तो उसमें 81,500 पे किया, बच गया है another 18,500 which was paid to partners loan, X loan it was paid. Second realization we have arrived. The second realization is 1,45,000, but जो contingent liability हम estimate किया था वो कम हो गया था. हम estimate किया था 30,000, provided 30,000, and actual expenditure came to know in the second realization as 25,000. So there was 5,000 provisions released. 1,45,000 was there and 5,000 total 1,50,000 हो गया है. Then we have paid to X loan. Similarly, the third one also we have done and we have completed. So with this, our piecemeal distribution is over. Now I'm going for the next area. Right. Anybody has any doubt in the piecemeal? Anybody has any doubt in the piecemeal? No? Right. Now I'm going for the next area, which is sale to company. Just a minute. So we are going for sale to company. Simple सा है. Try to calculate the purchase consideration. Try to calculate the purchase consideration in the books of जो transferer है, that is only the entry we'll be making. So before this, yes, we'll be studying in our second group. We will be studying all about the paper CAA, company accounts and auditing. उसमें हम पढ़ेंगे what is amalgamation, absorption, reconstruction. ये सारे हम पढ़ेंगे. तो उसमें एक ही होता है, एक कंपनी दूसरा कंपनी को ले लेता है, और द फर्म इज ABC firm converted into ABC Limited. So the firm is converted into company, or the partnership business is sold to the company. Okay, on the same. तो क्या हो जाएगा ये? तो these people will be, जो firm, हम firm को close करना है, close firm and incorporate company. कंपनी शुरू हो जाएगा. जो क्लोज होता है we call it as a transferer. ये सेल कर रहा है अपना बिजनेस कंपनी को. So these people are known as transferer. Transferer entity ये है transferee entity. So this one is not ABC company. Will be doing that here in the second group. About this will be doing in second group. Paper कौन सा है? Company accounts and auditing, that we will be dealing with this. So this one we will be doing now here. So the transferor company, what we'll be doing, we will be closing the transferor company. Closing is nothing but the dissolution, and whatever the shares you are getting from the ABC Limited, that will be given to the partners of the ABC firm. ABC firm will be getting closed, or one of the partner may start the company and he may buy the firm from the other partners and start कर सकता है a company. तो कैसे करना है, क्या करना है? With a problem we'll go for it. Go for problem number 26. Go for problem number 26. बताता है आपको कौन सा PDF पेज में है. कौन सा पेज में है? प्रॉब्लम नंबर 26. Any idea? Anybody can help me? Which PDF page? सर बता दीजिए सर, कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहा है. दूसरा ग्रुप हमारा FAC का क्या था? FAC इसमें है हमारा पेज नंबर, PDF पेज नंबर ये है PDF पेज नंबर 10. PDF पेज नंबर 10. देवे मेरे 10. अच्छा 8 also it is there. Okay. 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 Right. So for this sale to a company, ABC were equal partners on 31st December. The balance sheet was as follows: A, B, C, A's loan, creditors, other things. On the date they dissolved the firm, fixed assets were sold to Jupiter Company Limited for rupees 1 lakh, payable in the form of 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each. A took over the joint lay policy at an agreed valuation of 5,000. Stock and debtors raised 23,700. Expenses came to 300. A and B agreed to distribute shares in Jupiter Company Limited between themselves in the ratio of their final claims. Sundry creditors were paid at book value. Prepare realization account, capital account, and the cash book. सिंपल सा है ये तो नॉर्मल डिसोल्यूशन प्रॉब्लम है ठीक है राइट ओके so here please kindly pay attention कैसे मैं कर रहा हूँ करके वॉच कर लीजिए फिर बाद में आप नोट कर सकता है realization account फिर कौन सा अकाउंट ओपन करना है पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट what all the partners are there here partners are only A and B okay okay then purchase consideration account purchase consideration account is what you are getting from the Jupiter company so here Jupiter company limited account then shares in J company limited okay then you will be making the bank account okay ये सब हो गया transfer the balances now capital balances how much who are the partners A and B are the partners A B particulars debit credit by balance brought down how much is the balance 75,000 and 35,000 and कोई last कुछ नहीं है cash balance is how much to balance brought down cash in bank to balance brought down 3,500 you have this okay right transfer the assets to the debit side of realization account A's loan account is the transfer to A's capital account by A's loan account that is 10,000 transfer the assets to debit side of realization account to sundry assets fixed asset 140,000 by depreciation provision 45,000 हो गया then JLP 6,300. Stock 27,000. Debtors 15,000. Buy sundry creditors 26,800. Go for the adjustments. On that date, the firm was dissolved. Fixed assets were sold to Jupiter Limited for rupees 1 lakh by Jupiter Limited company account for 1 lakh. Jupiter Limited पे आ जाएगा to realization account 1 lakh. This was paid 10,000 shares of 10 each. So buy equity shares in J Company Limited 1 lakh. So J Company Limited. ये भी हो गया. Right, next what they say, A took over the joint life policy at an agreed valuation of 5,000. So ये आ जाएगा by A's capital account. Joint life policy at the valuation of 5,000. ठीक है. So to realization account. JLP is taking over at 5,000. ठीक है. Right, ये हो गया. Then next what they are telling, stock and debtors realized 23,700. Okay, by bank. Stock and debtors sold for 23,700. So 23,700 immediately the bank account पे आ जाइए to realization account. Stock and debtors तो ये है 23,700. The realization expenses amounted to 300. So realization account debit to bank. Expenses 300. सारे हो गया है. अभी for creditors are paid at the book value. Creditors 26,800 है. So realization account debit to creditors 26,800. So cash paid is 27,500. Bank account पे आ जाएगा by realization account. 300 plus 26,800, 27,100. यही था ना? हाँ, right. हो गया. What we have to do now? Close realization account and transfer the profit or loss to capital account. So here ये total कितना है? 140,300. 1,88,300. 800 plus 188,300. Okay, right. Plus 27,100. Total कितना हो गया? 2,15,400. So this side is 2,15,400. How much is that side? Minus 45,000 minus 26,800 minus 1,28,700. तो आ गया है 14,900. So 14,900 is the loss. 2,15,400. Okay. this is over by loss transfer to capital account A and B. A and B are what is the profit sharing ratio? The profit sharing ratio equal partners. Okay, 7,450, 7,450. So to realization account, loss 7,450, 7,450 का बैलेंस कितना है ये फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए. Generally they give you at what ratio the equity share capitals are distributed. Equity share capital अगर कुछ भी नहीं, they have to give it. अगर कुछ भी नहीं दिया है then capital just before dissolution whatever the ratio is there in that ratio it is to be distributed. Preference shares and debentures if it is issued that would be distributed to the partners in the profit sharing ratio. Equity share capital, capital ratio, and preference shares and debentures at profit sharing ratio we will be distributing. Agar koi no information is there in the problem. Information if it is given in the problem that only we can use it, we cannot simply distribute it. In the problem they say fixed assets were sold Jupiter Limited for 1 lakh payable 10,000 shares of 10 each. And A and B agreed to distribute the shares of Jupiter Company Limited between themselves in the ratio of the final claims. तो यहाँ रेशियो ऑफ फाइनल क्लेम क्या है, इसमें जो बैलेंसिंग फिगर आएगा दैट इज द रेशियो ऑफ फाइनल क्लेम. सो हियर टू बैलेंस कैरी डाउन हाउ मच, टू बैलेंस कैरी डाउन will be 85,000, 85,000. So 85,000 minus 12,450, 72,550. Okay, then 35,000 minus 7450. So that is 27,550. This is the final claim. Some of the people they don't include the 10,000 because it's a partner's loan they paid. Immediately by balance brought down 72,550 and 27,550. Okay, 72,550 plus 27,550 is 1,100,000. Here what is the value? Here the value is 1 lakh. Okay, is 1 lakh will be distributed among the partners in their final ratio hai. Okay. Distribution of J Limited. What is the company? Jupiter Limited. J Company Limited. Shares. Total value 10,000 shares. So 10,000 into कितना है ये इधर का 72,550, 72,550 on 1,100,000 and 10,000 into this is for E, this is for B. 10,000 into 27,550 upon 1,100,000 कितना हो जाएगा 72,550 divided by into 10. That is 7247 shares. 7246 shares.